But this country needs to wake up and get the filth out from this country. And you know, all the council houses are given to Muslim families. One Muslim man has 3 wives and they are telling lies that my husband left me, you know. Give me council house. My husband left me. But husband is every night is coming to do jiggy with the woman. But yeah, Muslim husband has 3 wives. They got 3 council houses separately and he is coming every night to have jiggy and produce more children. And all the benefits, taxpayer benefits is going to them, to the Gaza. All your aid, all the aid, all the foreign aid is going to make the Hamas fat. All the money of the Western country is going. All the money of the Western country is going to feed the Hamas, to make them fat and to build the weapons of mass destruction. These Muslims, they want to attack you, they want to kill you, they want to destroy. Islam is not a religion. Islam is a cult of the devil who is disguised as God. Allah, Inshallah. So my dear friends, Islam is going to destroy this country. So my dear friends, in the name of Jesus Christ, we are going to get this country back into our hands. My dear friends, and I'm telling you, all, you know, Hamas, Houthis, Hezbollah, Taliban, Al-Qaeda, ISIS, they are the 5 bastards of Islam. Hamas, Muslim Brotherhood, is a terrorist organization, Islamic organization of the devil. Islam, you know, Qatar is feeding these people. Qatar is feeding these people for the evil devil act to do in the European countries. But British people, wake up and save this country. Get up and wake up. And this country is a Christian country based on Christian values. Freedom of right, freedom of religion, freedom of good life. But most of the asylum seekers from Gaza, the stupid, and you know, Palestine rallies are a big drama for the whole world. Gaza is a big drama for the whole world. Whatever food, whatever help you're sending to the Gaza is being taken by Hamas, the Islamic terrorist organization. The civilians of Gaza, they are not getting anything. So, my dear friends,